Hello viewers, welcome back to Hard Designs. Premium party wear and stitch salwar suits collections are ready for dispatch and express delivery. Try neckile pita work Zardosi and Kardana pita work time Zardosi and Kardana work with all over sequence on the scatter highlight bottom pure silk banaras in the bottom pair. So walking work the bottom style mustard color worked pure silk banarasi bottom and pita worked and zardosi neckline with chiffon dupatta all over work price is pure viscose price is 3,500 very special concept in the price this hand pita zardosi highlight bottom the bottom Banarasi bottom. Second color is pink. Nalla bangiyulla pink bottom the bottom lining must mauve brown, nude brown. Cute item every combination super ana. Confusion all the colors elegant develop bottle green. Black. Finally mauve, beautiful mauve color. Confusion every terms develop ready for dispatch. Inside product first one is this sleeve work sleeve within the sleeve hand fit zardosi work sleeve full work plus totally different concept with silk banarasi bottom. Price is 3,500. Next is nude mauve color. Sleeve line sleeve pita work with kardana sequence zardosi work mauve tone with all over work with dupatta chiffon all over sequence bootas with banarasi bottom lining stitch jet black tone gorgeous black color black in a black bottom bhayankara resayittunde kaananayitte idana idinte bottom vara so beautiful aayittulla bottom with dupatta churikittu anda top bottom dupatta 3-piece set inde price varunathu 3500 color is pink aana nalla rasalla oru champagne pink color neck il idupole thanne varuna work sleeve nalla heavy aayittulla sleeve line with chiffon dupatta all over thanne and the sequence on the scatter here is our bottom combination 3-piece set 3,500. This is metallic mauve gorgeous mauve color mauve nude brown brown dilute tone beautiful nude brown color banarasi bottom bottom style. Next is purple, bright purplish tone with all over work with heavy dupatta with bottom. Trim shades prices. Thank you.